Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to pin tab on Safari on MacBook. So if you have too many tabs on your MacBook and you want to pin the most important tab on your Safari, it's very simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Safari, and from here you can choose on the tab that you want to pinned. For example, I want to pin this one. You can just click right on this tab and you'll find there is an option pin tab. You can just select on that. So you have pinned that tab from your MacBook. See? And if you open another tab, the tab will be still in here like this. Your tab will be kept in here. And also if you want to unpin, you can just click right and select on unpin. You want to pin this one, you can just select on that, click right. You can search for something in here. Like this, for example. Now you want to pin this one, you can just select click right and pin tab, and your tab will be moved to the left of your MacBook Safari's tab. It's very simple, right? So that is how to pin tab on Safari on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.